In one sole day, you gain a lot of insights and a lot of information.
To boost the business, to do networking, to meet with the like-minded people.
To become inspired by others, by new ideas.
We have people from the whole circle of the solar market, from producers to investors to business developers and to installers.
Which means learning from each other.
And I really think the discussions that we're having here today helps us be more creative and take a step further.
And that's the contribution of coming together and actually doing something.
Because we are very much engaged and committed, and we really want to bring our best for humanity.